Welcome back. I am now going to show you how to add soldier courses around windows. To start, make sure you have a wall with one or more windows. Hide your brickwork for easier edge selection. Now right-click an edge where you want to add a soldier course. A soldier course is now added. Note that these bricks are corner bricks. Soldier courses can be added automatically too. Go to Settings, and then Automation. Select Opening Top, for example. Now select the type of bricks you want to add at the top side of openings. Pick Soldier Course and change the default dimensions. Reload the wall, and soldier courses are automatically inserted. When a new wall is loaded, your settings are taken into account as well. Time to start bricklaying.